How to change icon color on Samsung phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to change icon color on Samsung phone. It's really easy, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up settings on your Samsung phone, scroll down and tap on wallpaper and style. And there you'll find color palette. Go ahead and tap on it, and there toggle on color palette, and now you'll find various colors below, so you can choose from the colors. And up there you can see that the preview is being shown, so you can choose any color that you want. You can even go to basic colors and change their icon, and you can toggle on apply palette to app icons and tap on apply. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.